ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु नः वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So don't worry about that Subanta document, but we will deal with that Subanta in detail. Okay. Now, here in the under Purvatra Siddham, we are seeing some of the sutras now. Chogo Kuhu, Hodaha, Dader Dhatur Gaha. Always when you do the sutra, you have to go back and forth. You have to see. Then only you will remember. But as we did in Sandhi section, similarly here also we will go back and forth. This is called Hal Sandhi, but really Hal Sandhi has not started yet. You know, okay. I think I explained you before. Still, in the Ashtadhyayi, this soft copy is some pages are black and hidden, numbers are not visible. Now, ask somebody to scan it properly. When it is done, I will share the document with you. So, in the Ashtadhyayi, whatever we have seen and whatever we know, that only I am saying now. Ashtadhyayi, the first chapter, 4 sections, and the following 2 sections, you will find Sanya Sutras. Okay. You will find Sanya. Did I tell you those things? Sanya Sutras.
Yeah, you told.
Yes.
In the 1-4 section, chapter 4th section, you will see this sutra. Akadarat eka sanya. Akadarat eka sanya. It means Akadarat means up to Akadarat. Kadara is a word. It is there in the Sutra 238. So Akadarat up to the Sutra preceding that Akadarat eka sanya. Here, whatever sanya is mentioned, it is only one sanya only is applicable, not 2 sanya. That is what this sutra says. So Akadarat eka sanya. Sanya itself shows 2 to 38 means, so up to 2 to 38 sanya is there. So first chapter, second chapter up to 2 to sanya you will find. All the sanya sutras you will find. It is not only here. It is not only here. Sanya sutras are there in other sections also. Sanya sutras are there in other sections, like the 6th chapter, there are some sanyas are there. Purve abhyasaha, ube abhyastam, those are also sanya, which is there in 6th chapter. So sanyas are there. In other chapters also sanyas are there, but mostly the sanya sutras you will see in the first chapter and in the second chapter, first 2 sections. That is, in these 6 sections you will see mainly sanya, main sanyas. Then we know 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, 5th chapter deal with pratyaya. 3rd chapter, the first is the sutra itself is pratyaya. As the pratyaya will come, pratyaya Paraha, parascha. Pratyaya comes after. After what? After the anga. The anga could be a dhatu or anga could be a pratipadikam. What is anga? Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. That is the definition of anga. We will see that in the sutra, Singha Sutra. Anga means that after which the pratyaya is ordained. That is called anga. Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. So anga could be a pratipadikam or could be a dhatu. If it is a dhatu, then the pratyas added to dhatus are found in the third chapter, Pratyaha Parascha. As you can see, Pratyaha, it goes up to 54160. It means the last sutra of the fifth chapter, fourth section. So in all the three chapters, Pratyas are covered. And where the Pratyas will come, Parascha, later, so Pratyas added after what? The Anga. If Anga is Dhatu, then the Pratyas are found in third chapter. If Anga is Pratipadikam, then fourth chapter and fifth chapter. Right? Then in this chapter only, the pratyas added to dhatus are there, right? So the pratyas added to dhatus, what sanya it can, what the pratyaya could be? It could be, in general, what it could be?
Third chapter.
The pratyas added to dhatus. What?
Sanadyanta, ting,
No.
krit.
Ting pratyaya.
In general, I'm asking.
Yeah.
No. In general, I'm asking. It could be a sarvadhatukam or adhadhatuka pratyaya. Right?
Oh.
Simple. The pratyaya could be a sarvadhatuka pratyaya or adhadhatuka pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam is Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, which is in this chapter, third chapter, fourth section, 113th sutra. We'll see that. So Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatukam Sheshaha. So when we say Ardhadhatuka, Sarvadhatuka, remember these pratyas for the dhatu, not for the pratipadika. Okay. So now, for the dhatus, these pratyas are added. What about Krit pratyas? Krit is Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam? Really? Shatra is
Shatru, no.
Not like that. Krit pratyaya, which is Shatra is Krit pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam.
Oh, that's Sarvadhatukam.
Therefore, Krit also we have Sarvadhatuka Krit, Ardhadhatukam. Then what is Krit? What is Krit and what is the difference between Krit pratyaya and Krit Sarvadhatukam and Ting Sarvadhatukam? What is the difference?
Krit is a thing.
Krit is a thing.
A thing, important. That which is not thing is called Krit. Krit thing, the sutra is there. That which is not thing is called Krit. So in this chapter, the pratyayas which are mentioned, if they are not thing, then it is Krit. Right? And Krit pratyaya also can be Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. Ting pratyayas also can be Sarvadhatukam or Ting pratyayas. Ting pratyayas can be Adhadhatukam? No. Ting pratyayas can be only Sarvadhatukam. There is no arts. Okay. Ting pratyayas, it is only Sarvadhatukam. And if the pratyaya is in this section, if it is a shit, then it is Sarvadhatukam. So for to be an Ardhatukam, it should be a ashit. And it should not be a thing. Clear? If it is a shit, ating pratyaya, then it is a krit pratyaya, it is Ardhatukam. It's a thing, ashit pratyaya. You understand? I'm not confusing you, making you understand. Follow me. Understand? Hello?
Yeah.
So, Dhatoho is important adhikara. Dhatoho, it is 3191. It goes up to 3/4, end of the fourth chapter. Sorry, third chapter. End of the third chapter, it is fourth section. The pratyas are added to dhatus. Even before also dhatu is there. You will see that before this. Dhatoho, important adhikara. So here only it is a krita thing. That which is not krit is called thing. Okay, this is one. So the overview of the Ashtadhyayi is now. This is then in the fourth chapter, you will see in the fourth chapter, the first sutra itself, Niyap Pradipadika. That is where this blessing, this thought came. Ni pratyaya, ap pratyaya, all these are added to pratipadika. You know what pratipadikam is? Atvata, atuhu, apratyam, apratyaya, pratipadikam, krutpadita samasasya. Pratipadika sanya is extended to the kritantas also. Kritanta is pratipadika. Samasanta pratipadika. Aditanta pratipadika. So pratipadika, niyap, these pratyas bhavati. Or what pratyas? Su, avja, samoksha, snabdhan, this. Su adishu referring to the pratyas which are listed in the 4th chapter and 5th chapter. Su adishu, asarvanamastane padam we have seen before, right? Su adishu means su, etc. That is starting from this 4, 1, 2. And all the pratyas are included. All the pratyas. Okay. Then, if it is triyam, you can see triyam, ni pratyaya, nin pratyaya, nish pratyaya, ta pratyaya, cha pratyaya, and all is there. Rinnebhyaha, neep is there. Triyam, neep. That is why rinnebhyaha. What is rinnebhyaha? Rikara, nakara. Rikara, example, Shatru. We have seen Shatru. Elaborately, we have seen Shatru pratyaya. How do you convert a Shatru pratyaya into a Strilinga Shatru? Shatru Pratipadikam to a Strilinga Pratipadikam by adding the pratyaya. Adding the pratyaya, neep, right?
E.
Like we say, Patat is there. Patat is Shatranta. Then how do you how to make it a Strilinga? What pratyaya you add? You add E only, right? When you add E, what is the form you get? Patat plus E.
Patanti.
Numagama comes. Numagama comes. We saw, right?
Yeah.
Numagama comes for, anyway, I'm just going away from the topic. Doesn't matter. But just to make you, just I want to know whether you recall. Numagama comes for which?
1, 4, 10.
1, 4, 10. And for sixth Gana?
Optional.
Optional. For other Gana?
Not applicable.
Not applicable. Shatru, you remember. Okay. So, by this sutra only, we apply the need pratyaya to the Rikaranta Pratipadikam, also Nakaranta. Nakaranta also. Like example, Karin you take. Karin, how you define Kari, Karino, Karinaha in Pullinga, right? What is the Strilinga form of Karin?
Karini, is it?
Karini, yes. It becomes, Karin becomes Karini, more than in Akara. Karin plus.
Yeah, Karini.
So, this is one example of it. So, the Strilinga pratyas are there. Okay. And here, the important adhikara is the Sadhitaha, which is 4176. So, up to here, up to 5 for end, those are Sadhita pratyas. Those are Sadhita. So, Sadhitaha. And in the 5-4, we have Samasanta pratyas also. So, Sadhita, Samasanta pratyas, these are the important pratyas. So, 3, 4, 5 is done. And in the 6th chapter, we saw Samhitayam, whatever we have seen, and little more to what we have seen. 6th chapter, Samhitayam, Adhikara is the 672. That is important that only you see the Sandhi. Samhitayam, all the Sandhis rules are there. 6172. That is one Sandhi section. This is the Adhikara. Sandhi Adhikara is in 3 places. To my knowledge, it is in 3 places. This is 6172. Other one is there in 3 also, I think it is there.
I told 63114 and
Yeah, 63 also it is there.
83108.
63
114.
114. This is in 63. 62. This is 63. Yeah, here also Samhitayam is there. Another Samhita Adhikara. And another one is 82.
8310882.
82 end. One Samhita is there.
Oh, is it?
63114. 63114, I mean, this 63 are familiar because we have seen this Dralope Purvasya Dirgona. We have not seen the sutra, but we have seen the application of this This 63111.
Yeah. Double duck. Yeah.
Yes. And you can see Samprasanasya also on Adhikaram. Samprasanam we already introduced Sanya and where it is. It is also in Adhikara. It goes up to 642. Only next section. Only 2 sutras. Only for 3 sutras. Samprasanasya. Then Angasya Adhikara, important Adhikara. This is another important Adhikara. Covers 5 sections, starting from 6.4 up to 7.4. And all the Anga related areas you will find here. And in 6.4 itself is very important. 6.4, all the Dirgatvam happening. Dirgatvam because of this Pralope, Purvasya, Dirgo, Anaha, Dirga. Dirga, you can see it was a Sanuvurti up to 6.4.18. That is next chapter, 18 sutras. All the Dirgatvam happening, you will see that. That is up to 6.4.18. Kamashcha 3, so up to here. So in the document, whatever, the document, the Subhanta document, what I sent, there you see the Dirgatvam, and I would have applied this sutra. I'll explain all those things, don't worry. I'm just saying, all the places Dirgatvam happens. Like Vidwan, that is also Dirgatvam happens. Shreyan, Shreyas, Shraddha. So up to 6.4, this 18, these are the Dirgatva section. Dirgatvam happens for the Nakaranta, Nakara, Upada is that Dirgatvam happens. So this is Dirgatva section. It comes under Angasya. Okay, just know this. I'll be keep on repeating this, so it will become, it will stay, it will, so that it will enter your head permanently. Okay. Then under 6.4, you can see another important sub adhikara is that very important adhikara, which is Basya 6.4.129. All the Ba Angakarya you will find. 6.4.1 is Angasya. 6.4.129 is Basya. You know what bus is? Basanya, not bus, Basanya. Ichigam. So starting from here up to 175, that is end, I think. So Ba Adhikara. Here only the Vasoga Samprasanam you will see. Vasoga Samprasanam, what we discussed before the class. 6.4.131. And other sutras, important sutras are there, that we will see. So this is Basanya. Okay, then 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, all are Angasya Adhikari. And Abhyasa Karya and all comes in 7.4, that we will see. Then in the 8th chapter, first section, important sutra, it means Padasya and Pada. These are those. Okay, that is the important sutra. And from 8.2 onwards, Tripadi starts, but we are in Tripadi now. The Tripadi we are saying is sutras. Okay. Purvatra Siddham. And the 8.2 only I told is last sutra, I think. 8.2 sections. As Samhitayam, the word is there, 8.2. Samhitayam goes as Anuvritti up to 8.468. These are the Samhita Adhikara. Okay. Another Samhita section. So 3 places we saw. You can remember this. Just the orient where it is. This is not everything. In fact, Karaka is there, Vibhakti is there. Those things will fall in place only when we have to know the arrangement of the sutras, how it is arranged, where to look for the sutras, where it is located. Anga section I told, but Anga section is a very big section. Anga could be an Abhyasa, this Abhyasa Anga, Angakarya, and Guna happens, Vritti happens with the Anga. So many things are there. So that we have to further zoom in and see. That we will see slowly when we go on the topics. Okay. Now we are in the 8.2 section. After Chokoku, Hodaha, then Sade Dharporgaha. The next sutra which we have to see is Vadruha Mukha Shukashmira. 8.2.33. You will see that now. Vadruha Mukha Mukha, Shniha. I need to introduce some paribhashas also. We will see paribhasha. I remember it. I'll introduce paribhasha. Some paribhasha I have to teach you. Okay. Va Druha Mukha, Shnuga, Shniha. What vibhakti is Va Druha Mukha, Shnuga, Shniha? Pratipadikam. What is it, Pratipadikam? Yes.
It's given Shashti. Shashti is given, so it
Yes.
must be
Everything is given. Huh?
there. It is given.
In the class, in the Gurukulam, I show the same thing and ask what vibhakti they will think. I said it is given. You please see that. It is given there. What vibhakti is that? They will think what vibhakti it could be. No need to think because it is given. Shashti Bhagavachanam. Right? So what is a Pratipadikam? So Marut Shabdavat. Durga Magha Shnuga Shnik is a Pratipadikam. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay.
it is a Ittaretara Dvandva Samasa. Drughascha, Mughascha, Shnugascha, Shnikcha, Durga Mugha, Shnigaha, Maruta Mutaha, Shnigaha, Ittaretara Dvandva Samasa. Shashti Vibhakti, Durga Mugha, Shnuga, Shniham. It is okay. Samasa is not given here. That part I say you can note it down. I don't know whether I gave samasa for previous sutras. I think I gave. Dade dator gaha and all gave. Dakaraha adihi yasya saha dadihi tasya dadehe. Did I give samasa for the previous one? I think I would have given. You can just check. If it is not there, you can note.
No, I didn't note.
Okay. When we read a sutra, we should know what the vibhakti, what vachanam and what samasa.
Yeah, that you have to, that we have written. But
so dare dato kaha, there it samasa is there. Wherever samasa is there. Not that every sutra must have this compound word. Dadehe is dakaraha adihi. Yasya saha dadihi. Dadi is a pratipadikam. Shashti bhakti dadehe. So dadehe means dadehe datoho. Previous sutra I'm talking about. Dade dator gaha. Dhatu which begins with dakara. Adi. That is dakara is adihi. Adihi, adi dakara.
what is the samasa?
Yeah?
What samasa is that? Dadi.
Bahubri. It is Bahubri.
Bahubri.
Adihi.
Okay. Okay.
Please note down samasa. That is slowly you will develop samasa also when you learn this.
Okay.
You learn the samasa for the words in the sutra also. So here it is Itaretara Dvandva Samasa. Druga, Drugascha, Mughascha, Shnighascha, Shnugascha, Shnikcha, Shnikcha. Va Druga Mugha, Shnigaha. Va Druga Mugha, Shnigaha, not Shigaha. Va Druga Mugha, Shnigaha. And Shashti Vibhakti Tesham Durga Mugha, Shnuga, Shnigam. Marut Shabdavat. You can take it as like a Marut Shabda. Then Vag is Avyaya. That is anyway that is given. What are the Anuvrutti? Jali. Jali comes as Anuvrutti from 8 to 26. That's very important. Up to 8 to 39. Up to 8 to 39, this Jali goes as Anuvrutti. Remember. Then Anuvrutti, other Anuvrittis are Gaha. You can see the Sutra Pata. Actually, you have to see the Sutra Pata and tell the Anuvrutti. You know the rule. Now you see the Sutra and then you have to tell the Anuvrutti. Okay. Dhatoho comes as Anuvrutti. Right? Dhatoho Gaha comes as Anuvrutti. Ghana comes as Anuvrutti. And Hodaha from that. Hodaha from that what comes as Anuvrutti?
Yeah. Ho.
Hakara.
Yeah,
Hakara is a sthana where it is going to happen.
Okay.
By Va, what you understand?
Optional.
Option for what? Gakara, see, haha, gaha. That is, hakarasya sthane, gakaraha adesha bhavati. And hakara belonging to the dhatu, therefore dhatoho. And you see the words, the dhatus below. Drugha, mugha, shnuga, shniga, all are the dhatus in the hakaranta dhatu, that will be replaced by gakara. Gakara comes as anuvrutti from 8 to 32, right? What is this va doing there? What is this va doing?
Only for this 4, maybe.
So, okay, only for this 4 means gakara comes. Why? Va is not required.
Not, this is optional for only these 4.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe.
optional for these 4. Then what is va doing? What is that va? What is the, what does it say? It does say something, right? Gakara is adesha. So if gakara adesha not there means?
Yeah, dakara must be always there. This daha is there. Yeah.
So
Apavada to that one.
So by va, what you say is, Gakara Adesha is optional. Remember. Va,
Otherwise,
what
it
you
will be
say?
there.
Utsarga is Hodaha.
Yeah, okay.
Utsarga is Hodaha. Dakara is the Adesha in the place of Hakara. And we have said Dakara Adi Dhatu must be replaced by Gakara. And here Dakara Adi one Dhatu is the Dakara Adi Dhatu, which is Druha. And other Dhatus are not Dakara Adi, but they are Hakara ending. Mukh, Shnuk, Shnik. So that must be replaced by Dakara only. How can it be replaced by Gakara? That is what Va says. By Va, these Dhatus, one Dhatu is Dakara Adi Dhatu. That gets optional replacement Gakara. It means it can get Dakara also, right? And other dhatus, mukha, shnuka, shnika, which are not dakaradi dhatus, anyway they will get dakara adesha, but it will get optionally gakara adesha. Understand?
Either that or this. Yeah, okay.
That is what va says. The va is very important. Prapta, aprapta, vibhasha here. Okay, vibhasha, what is that? That has to be told. That we will see later. Nava iti vibhasha. So,
Vibhasha Jashiya, something is there.
No, that is different. Okay.
That's different. Okay.
Vibhasha, the sanya we should. I mean, later when topic comes, I'll teach you Vibhasha. What is Vibhasha? Yes. Here it is says by Va, Druh Dhatu, which is Takaradi Dhatu, supposed to get Gakara Adesha, will optionally get Dakara Adesha. That is number 1 for Viva. For other Dhatus, Mukha, Shnuka, Shnika, which are not Dakaradi Dhatu, therefore they will not get Gakara Adesha by 8 to 32, but it will get because of Va. Optionally, it will get Dakara Adesha. Right? Originally, what it will get? Dakara Adesha. So, Dakara Adesha also possible. Dakara Adesha also possible for them. So, that is what the Va does here. Okay. So, Etesham Dhatunam Hakarasya Sthane Vikalpena Gakaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. When does it happen? Condition is when Jal follows Jali Pare Atava Padante Cha. Padante Cha, you have to remember. Padasya comes as anuvrutti from 8-1, Ante from 8 to 29. Padasya Ante Padante. Padante Jali Pareva. For these 4 dhatus, Hakarasya Sthane Gakaraha Adeshaha Vikalpena Bhavati. Therefore, Dakara Adesha also can happen. Therefore, we'll have 2 forms. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, Jaya.
Yes, Nishanji. We have been receiving this.
Okay. Then, if it is not clear, please ask. So now you can see Sampurna Sutram Durga Mukha Shnuk Snigam Dhatoho Haha Hakarasya Padasya Ante Jali Gaha Va Gakaraha Adeshaha optionally Bhavati. It is optional. What is Utsarga? Dakara Adesha. That's what it is. It says Druk. Druk is Jignasaya Dhatu. Mukh is Vaichitye. Shnug Udgirane. Snig is Snig Dhatu. Prithau. Priya. Snig. Sneha and all comes from this Dhatu. Snig. These 4 Dhatus only. Iti etesham Dhatunam Hakarasya Sthane Padante Jali Pareva, followed by the Jal or at the end of the Padam will get गकार आदेशः विकल्पेन भवति गकार आदेश अभावे औत्सर्गिकः डकारः डकारादेशः भवति औत्सर्गिकः मीन्स् उत्सर्ग तदितवत् औत्सर्गिकः मीन्स् उत्सर्ग डकार will come general the application general rule will apply dakaradesha will come. So that is what is sutra is. Now etat sutram druh जिघांसायां मुखचित्ते श्नुक् उद्गिरणे तथा स्निक् प्रीतौ इति एतेषां चतुर्णाम् only for this four धातु विषये अस्ति. एते सर्वे हकारान्ताः धातवः we know that अतः एतेषां हकारस्य पदान्ते जलि परे वा धाते धातोर्गः इति अनेन नित्यं गकार आदेशप्राप्ते वर्तमानसूत्रेण अयम् आदेशः विकल्पेन भवति. This is called अप्राप्त विभाषा. This dade dhatorgaha is ordained and that is given an optionality by this sutra vikalpena bhavati. Dakara adeshasya abhave then hodaha iti anena utsargikah dakara adesha api bhavati. Therefore two forms will be there. This I think I have derived this. Remember duk dhatu? I have shown this before. I shown this.
Yeah. The duh, I think that is dah and the other thing.
Everything is same.
Yeah, everything the
Yes,
same.
yeah.
Yeah, the same thing. Yeah.
Dak you will get the drug you will have two forms.
Okay.
Dak is dakaradi dhatu, you get dagda. Drug is in this sutra it is there, therefore it will have two forms. Okay, let me explain that. Druk plus ta pratyaya is taking the example of ta. Dhatoho ta pratyayantam. Ta is as get a sanya. Yes, we are saying ta in the Sanskritam class. Ta. Nishta. Nishta is the name, sanya. Okay. Ta pratyaya kakara is it letter. By what? Lashakva tadite. Lashakva tadite. It is a tadite pratyaya, ta pratyaya. No. Therefore, only kakara is it. If it is a tadita, kakara will not be it. Remember.
Yeah.
So, duk plus ta is there. Okay. Now, ta is there. What will happen? Now, hakara followed by jal letter. Hakara is a jal letter. It is not a padanta hakara. Okay. It is padanta. It is kridanta only. We are going to form. After that, only padam comes. Adding the tarnavasana, adding the supratyas, etc. So it is a jali pare. That condition is fulfilled, followed by a jal letter. Therefore, hakara is replaced by gakara by this sutra, 8 to 33. After that, subsequent rules to be applied. That already we know. The rules we know. The sutras we will see. What is that? It says gakara and takara. No, takara preceded by, or takara following what? Jashanta. Gakara, right? So, takara here.
Preceded.
Kakara is Jash letter. Jash is what? Fifth letter. Sorry.
Yeah.
Fourth letter of all the classes. Jami Ghada Dash, fourth letter of all the classes. So Mahaprana, fourth letter. Gha is Jash letter. So when Jash is followed by Takara, then Takara will be replaced by Dakara. Jashaha, Tatoho, Daha, Bhavati.
Adaha, yeah.
Adaha, except for Dudanch Dhatu. So Takara is replaced by Dhakara. Okay, therefore Dha is come. Now Druk plus Dha. Apply Jashtavati number 2. Jalam Jashi Pare Jashta Bhavati. Therefore you get Druk. That is one form. Here.
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
This 8 to 40 is going to come repeatedly. So we are going to see that. You can note that. And Jalam Jashi and all, we know it very well. We have seen Jashtavati number 2 and all. We have seen. We have our own terms. Vidhi number 1, Vidhi number 2. So you can connect Jalam Jashi 8453. Is it clear? This one, this derivation?
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Yeah, please clarify if you have doubt. Next one. So now here it is Dakara Adesha Then now dakara adeshasya abhave kriyam dakara adesha bhavati. So drug plus ta hakara is replaced by dakara. So here also when dakara comes, what is the condition? This just letter, this is just letter followed by dakara. So here also same sutra applies. 8 to 40. Dasha takoho daha. Dakara is replaced by dakara, right? So now dakara, they are in contact. What sutra will apply? Sutra.
Stuta.
So dakara will become dakara. So drud plus da. Now dakara followed by dakara. What will happen? Dode.
Dode lopaha.
Which dakara will become lopaha? This dakara becomes lopa. The first one.
First.
Because what is do in the do de lopaha? Do is daha.
Daha. Okay.
De is saptami. Daha is shashti. So when de follows means when dakara follows. Dakara, which is shashti, that goes away. Right? Remember.
Gotcha.
They stay purvasya. So saptami vibhakti tells daha is sthani. So dakara follows. So this is the sthani. This dakara is a sthani. Therefore, tasya lopaha bhavati. When it lopa happens, what will simultaneously what will happen? Dra lope. Purvasya
Dirgham.
dirghaha bhavati. Anahad purvasya an varnanam dirghatvam bhavati. So purva letter is who is there, who is part of an is agivu. So that will become dhru dirghatvam bhavati. Dhruda. So you get dhruda. So this is vaikalpika rupam. Dakara adesha abhave dakarasya adeshaha vaikalpika rupam dhruda. So you have got 2 forms. One is drugda, other one is dhruda.
Both mean the same, right? Only the forms are different.
No, both same meaning may be different. Like in the case of muda, the meaning is different.
Okay.
Vyutpatti is applying this rule, but the meaning is different. Muda is visa. Muda is when Kathopanishad Pratushyena what is a Pramatataya Mudaha visa. Right? So Mudaha is deluded. Muktaha is
Different meaning.
Muktaha is different. Right? The meaning different.
Okay.
Is there.
Okay.
The next one. Atra nirdishtah dhatuh druk dhatuh takara plus repa plus ukara plus hakara iti asti. Okay. Druk takara plus ukara plus hakara iti nasti etat smarthavyam. Oh, okay. It's just saying that it is druk, it is repa is the okay. And that we know that's nothing to discuss that. Then mukh dhatu you take. It now is taking the example of the taking the example of mukh dhatu and trich pratyaya with trich pratyaya. Ta pratyaya, trich pratyaya, all these are jaladi pratyaya. So therefore any pratyaya you can take. Ta pratyaya, trich pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, tavya pratyaya. So all those pratyayas you can consider any jaladi pratyaya. So mukh plus trich, what will happen? Mukh plus trich is in what sense trich pratyaya is added? Remember?
Karta.
Karta.
Kartari trich. That is sutra. Sutra itself kartari trich. Okay. So kartari trich pratyaya. So mukh plus trich. Content is through only. Chakara goes away. Halantyam it. Okay. So trich pratyaya. What it is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatu.
Is it a kit or a? It's a kit or not? Is it a kit or a kit?
It's not a kit.
Is
Not it, so guna happens.
it a no? Ramaji said it's a kit. How does Ramaji say it's a kit?
It is apit, so I thought kit.
Apit is only for sarvadhatukam, not for ardhadhatukam, right? Apit, that condition is only for Sarvadhataka, not for Sarvadhataka apit only kitvat bhavati. Did we say Adhadhatukam? No.
No.
So therefore it's not a kit. It is not a kit. It is not a kit. It means therefore guna will happen. It is not a pit. Apit. Apit means doesn't mean kit. That is condition is only for Sarvadhataka, not for Adhadhataka. Being an Adhadhataka pratyaya, it is not a kit. Therefore guna will happen. Angakare can happen. Guna, vritti, whatever may be, right? Can happen. So mukh will become, mukh is upada. Upada, ik letter will get.
Rasva
Dirgha.
So mukh becomes
Guna
mokh. Guna happens. Mokh happens. That is by the sutra. Puganta lagu padasya cha. That we will see. We do the dhatu. Tinganta we do. So mukh you get. Okay, I think so many sutras are there in this. Okay. But those sutras are not required. Only whatever is required is the content that only we can take. Then mukh will become mokh. Okay. Then mokh plus tru plus su. Now tru is that the tru is replaced by anang adesha. Rudu shanas. Okay, by that sutra, it gets Rikara gets anang adesha. Anang is an is the adesha. Okay. That anang is the adesha in the place of Rikara by the sutra 7.1.94. Just know that is not required now because we have to apply our sutra. Up to the application of a sutra, other sutras, so many sutras will come, but we cannot go now. We go there, then we will lose track of this. For that sutra, we need to have some introduction also. Just you will see that the sutras. Occasion will come to see that. So through that Rikara is replaced by an. Now Takara plus an iti, then what happens here is so Upada Dirgatvam happens. The Akara becomes A, therefore you get Than. So Mokh plus Than. Then Supratya, okay, is deriving a Padam, therefore Supratya is added. And the Sakara now follows the Hal, that's therefore the Sakara, which is a Pratyaya Ekal Pratyaya, goes away. So you get Mokh Than. Mokh Than is there. Mokh Than is what now? It's a Padam. Yes or no? It's a Padam or not?
Yes.
Sakara came
Sakara
and
is
Sakara
added.
went.
Yeah.
Sakara came, Sakara went, but it has converted this into a Padam. Therefore, Mokhtan is a Padam. Therefore, Mokhtan being a Padam, Padanta Nakara, that is, it happened to be Pratipadikam, that Nakara also goes away by Nalopaha Pratipadikantasya, that also we have to see that. So, up to Mokhta you come. Okay, Mokh plus Ta you get. Now, after that only our sutra is applied. The previous sutras and all, it is, we don't, so don't worry that. We don't know, therefore, we just read that and come to this. Now we can see Mokh plus Ta. Mokh is what? Mokh is a dhatu or not?
Yeah.
Continues to be the dhatu only. Okay, Mokh is a dhatu only. So the dhatu, which is ending with Hakara, followed by Takara. So applying this rule, Hakara is replaced by Gakara. Now Jash letter precedes Takara, therefore Takara replaced by Dhakara. Jashas Tatordaha. Then you apply Jalam, Yashwante, you get Mogdha. The form is Mogdha. Actually, the form is Mogdr. You can stop with Mogdr. It's adding Su. Mukh plus Trich, you get
This
Mogdr.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Is giving Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Yes. If you want to derive the Pratipadikam, Mogdr. Mogda, Mogdaro, Mogdaraha. Mogdaro, Mogdaro, Mogdrun. Mogdra, Mogdra, Mogdrubhyam, Mogdrubhihi, iti you can decline. Srilinga it will be Mogdr is a Pratipadikam. It becomes Mogdri is a Pratipadikam. Ikaranta. You add E becomes Mogdri. Because this is also Rikaranta. Just now we saw. Rikara will get a Ni Pratyaya. E Pratyaya is a. So Mogdri you get form. Okay. Anyway, Mogdha is Pratama Vibhakti. That is what is deriving this.
I got it.
But I taught this with another example. You can see in the Sandhi chart. Remember, Sandhi chart we have seen. That's I think same. Ka Pratyaya is one, and Ka Pratyaya Muk plus Ka Pratyaya you get Dakara Mudaha form we got Muda, and Muk plus Trich Pratyaya the same thing we get. We got Mugd, Mugdr, sorry Mugdr, Mugdr, no Mugda. We got the form Mugda. You can see the Sandhi chart. Both the forms are given. One is Mugda, other one is Muda. Okay, let me open the Sandhi chart. This is given in the Sandhi chart. Okay. I'm opening that. Let me show that.
This rule is miscellaneous. The
This two, yeah.
miscellaneous rules.
It is there, rule number 29, 30. You can see. Rule number 29 and 30, the Sandhi chart. It is there.
Tum Pratyaya is, I think.
Tuman Pratyaya maybe. Okay, I don't remember exactly. See here. I'm sharing that file. 28 is Hodaha, 8 to 31, 8 to 32 is Dade Dhato, and Vamahat, Rugamavashkavashkam. Examples are not given, but I have shown the example. I've given this Mukdhatu and Mukdhatu only. I've given two forms, Mudaha and Mugdha.
We did in the class, Sharanji.
Huh?
We did in the class Mudaha and Muktaha.
Yeah, you will see that in the, I think the Tuman Pratyaya is a Tuman
Tumun, yeah.
in that section. I think you will find.
Tva Pratyaya and Tumun.
Yes, Tva Tumun. Okay, let me show that. Tva Tumun, it is there. Tva Tumun. Okay. Yeah, there it is. You have divided the form.
Another chart you gave, Sharanji, miscellaneous rule. In that chart, it is the fourth point. There you have given the examples, Muk plus Tum, Muk plus Va.
Okay. Another chart is, yes, it is there. I'm sharing that. Yeah, in this, you can see. We have done in that class itself. 8 point. Akara of the dhatus, Durga, Mugashnu, Gashtika, at the end of the padam are followed by Jal, will be replaced by Dakara. So the example is Mukh plus Tavat Pratyaya taken. You get Mugdavat. Right? If it is this is Dakara Adesha. Dakara Adesha, you get Mudavat. So Mugda. Mugda is one form, Muda is another form. So both are Tavatu. So if you take Tavatu or Ka, same only. If it is Ka Pratyaya, you get Mugda, Muda. I've taken Tavatu Pratyaya, therefore Mugdavat, Mudavat. Right?
Yes, Ji.
So you have two forms. Mudavat, Mugdavat. We have seen the declension. You can see that the declension in the derivation we have seen. Right? I think it doesn't require any explanation. Simple. Muk plus Tavatu. Muk plus Tavatu. Hakara is replaced by Gakara by this rule. Then this Takara is replaced by Dakara. The Jashastatordaha. Then you apply Jalam Jastashi. Just with the number 2. That is replaced by Gakara. Then you get Muktavat. And if you apply Dakara, then it becomes Tavatu. Tavatu da is Takara is replaced by Dakara. Then apply the same Jashastatordaha. You get Mood plus Davat. Then this Dakara goes away and preceding N becomes Dirga. Therefore, you get Moodavat. Okay, we have seen. Okay, right?
Yes, Ji.
Now, the next example, I'll explain the next example, which is here in this page. Then, here is giving Gakara adeshasya abhave prakriyam iyam bhavati. What happens? Muk plus trich plus su. Okay, he is deriving a padam. It's okay. Mogdra is one. Mogda. Now you will get again the kartari trich. You will get another form. Moda you will get. You will see that. Muk plus trich. Trich will cause guna to the anga becomes mog plus tr. Mog plus tr. Then apply this sutra tr. Akara replaced by an. And an akara gets dirgatvam. The sutras we don't require now. So mog plus khan. Then this, since he is deriving a sumanta, sakara is added, su pratyaya. That goes away because 6168, that is aprukta ekal pratyaya follows the hal, therefore goes away. Therefore mogtan, mogtan is a padam, and the nakara is padanta nakara, also happen to be a pratipadikanta nakara. Therefore by nalopa pratipadikanta nakara goes away. So mogta you get, mogta is a padam. Okay. Now, mog is there, which is a dhatu. Hakara followed by takara. Therefore, applying this hodaha, applying the rule hodaha, that is because through this sutra, hakara is optionally get takara adesha. From hodaha, takara comes anuvritti, and through this sutra it is applied. Therefore, mod plus ta, then jashastatordaha, takara is replaced by takara. Then Shuttam happens, and after that, Dakara goes away and Purva Dirgatvam happens, but Dirgatvam is O is already Dirga. So what Dirga it can do? Nothing. Okay. Only if it is Rasva Dirgatvam happens. O is already Dirga. Therefore, Moda you get. What is the Pratipadikam? Moda is Pratma Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pratipadikam is Modr. Okay. Pratipadikam is Modr, Moda, Modarav, Modaraha, Modaram, Modarav, Modrun, Modra, Modrubhyam, Modrubhiki. Srilinga will be Modri. Right? Okay. So two forms we have. Understand this?
Yeah, Jay.
The example. Okay. This example we have done so many times in the class itself.
Yeah.
Different contexts, this Trich Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya, Tavatu Pratyaya.
Yeah, we have done.
We have done. I particularly took Ta Tavatu because that involves less number of sutras. These sutras are not involved, right? So therefore, easy to follow. But now these sutras, you don't know it is in this example it is required. Therefore, don't focus on this sutra, the highlighted one. Not required now. What we need is only from here. That is explained already with the Ta Tavatu and all. You can see that. Then Shnuk Tata Shnik Dhatoho. Okay, that is one more point is that Dhatvadehe Shahasaha. You can note that. Dhatvadehe means Dhatu which are in the Dhatu Pata. Aupadeshika Dhatoho. Aupadeshika Dhatus which begin with Murdani Sakala will be replaced by Dantya Sakala. We define this as Sattvam. Remember? Sattva Vidhi.
Yeah.
Sattvam different, Shatvam different. Shatvam also two Shatvams are there. Shatvam number 1, which is by the sutra. Brashya.
Yeah.
That is Shatvam number 1. Another Shatvam is Inkoho, Adesha Pratyayoho. Num, Shar, Visarga, Yavaye Api, Shatvam Bhavati. That is Shatvam number 2. So remember that. So Shatvam, here Sattvam happens. Iti anena Shakarasya Sakare Krite. That is Shakara, the beginning of the Dhatu, replaced by Sakara Krite. Shtutva Nivritya Nakarasya Api Nakaram Krutva Snuk. This Shakara goes away. Nimitta Apaya, Naimitika Apayam. When the Nimitta itself goes away, Shakara, then what will happen to Murdani Nakara, which is there in Shnuk? That also will become Dantya only, right? Remember?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Nimitta Apaya, Naimitika Apayam. By the sutra, Dhatvadehe Shagasaha, the Dhatu, that Shakara is replaced by Sakara. When Shakara is replaced by Sakara, Nakara also replaced by Murdani Nakara, replaced by Nakara.
Yeah.
Therefore, Snik iti ete siddhyataha. Etayoho prakriya api mukdhatu vateva bhavati. Therefore, you get Snug becomes Snugda. Snake becomes Snigda. Sneeda iti. Here, Dirghatam happens. This is your homework. You try this. You please try this and send it to me. Snook plus ta pratyaya, you get two forms. Snugda, Snooda. Snik plus ta pratyaya, you get Snigda, Sneeda. You please apply the rule. Okay. And
Yes, Jia, will do.
send both, all of you. Please send. Then only I will get the confidence that you understand. Otherwise, I have to repeat. Okay. So we stop here. And today is Shivaratri. So we will see tomorrow. We will have class. We will see tomorrow the situation, and then accordingly we will have. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Anybody having difficulty in understanding, please let me know. I don't have a problem repeating it. But if not understood, you have to tell me. Otherwise, I will write.
No, Jia, we understand.
Okay. So if I keep repeating, what will happen is I will remember it very strongly. I will not forget it.
Another 10 Janmas. No, you will never forget.
Because I have been teaching this many times. Batches, many students here in the Gurukulam and all finished. So if you keep doing this, we will never forget. So even difficult topics will become easy. We are dwelling on the same thing, right? So it becomes, and also difficult. It becomes easy, and also I try to make it easy for the students to understand as much as possible. How to make it further easy? We have to Sulabha Ashtadhyay, something we have to make. You know, already it is done by many people, but still means some prakriya, so we need to have some method. Anyway, so thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. And this Shivaratri Prasamji, அதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஸ்பெஷலா ரூல்ஸ் இருக்கா ஜி? நான் ஏன்னா என் பொண்ணு 2 வருஷமா I just nightல